How to make poached egg. You need an egg, you need vinegar, and you need water. Make sure the water isn't boiling, but it's hot. Crack your egg carefully into a little bowl. There you have it. Then you will add some vinegar. Hvordan sier du det? Then you will add some vinegar into water, like that. When you are getting the egg into the water, you will drop it carefully. Make sure the bowl is into the water when you are dropping it. And then you can use a spoon to help the egg white attach to the plum. Just carefully. Now, I will just leave it there for 3 minutes and then I will take it out. My poached egg is almost done. The clock says 3 minutes, so we will take it out. Be careful. I will just drain it off for a little while. And then serve it with some guacamole and some homemade bread. And there, you have your poached egg. 3 minutes. Hope you like this video. Please comment below if you want me to show you something else. And like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!